Thank you, Chief Minister, for the warm hospitality accorded to me and my delegation. This is an excellent sign of a new cooperation between Pakistan and Ethiopia. And this inaugural flight of Ethiopian Airlines I believe further connects Ethiopia with Pakistan and Africa. And this is a new avenue of cooperation in terms of trade promotion, in terms of tourism promotion, in terms of investment flow to Africa. So we believe this will enhance and deepen our cooperation and our relation. And we thank you, the government of Pakistan, for the wonderful reception and hospitality. And again, I wish to congratulate Ethiopian Airlines and also the government of Pakistan for this big start, and we need to enhance our cooperation and relation from this. Thank you very much.